Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna do an introduction video since it's my first video and I don't really know what to do for my first video, so I'm just gonna do an introduction so you guys can know more about me and facts about me and what my life is in here. And yeah, before that, I will be getting ready and later I will begin my introduction for you guys, so I'll be getting ready first. Hey guys, so I'm done getting ready and now sisimulan na natin yung introduction natin. So I made a script for me doing the introduction. Ngayon, yun, gagawin ko. Para malaman nyo kung yung mga facts ko, what about me, and what about my life. Since first video ko to sa YouTube channel ko, regular lang yung mga gagawin ko dito. So, first, syempre yung name ko. Sa YouTube channel ko is only my nickname, Shin Zaruchi. That's my nickname in Japanese. And my real name is Ashley, so you can only call me Ashley if you want. Or you want to call me Zaruchi if which one you're comfortable. It's fine. Kung naririnig niyo yung hangin, huwag yun ang pansinin. Kasi baka marinig na naman dito sa video. Next is my age. I'm 15. Yes. 2009. Birthday ko is on May 12. Those information only ang malalaban nyo since yun nga, introduction ko. Ayoko yung malaman yung buong information ko talaga. Next is my hobbies. Yung hobbies ko is madami rin. And like, I only do singing and dancing for my hobby. That's my cat. Sorry for the meowing. That's my cat. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga pets ko dito. And now, if you're asking what's my favorite color is black, white, and pink. Those are my favorite colors. And my favorite sports are apparently badminton, but I was thinking I would like to try volleyball since parang interesting kasi na rin. Pero pag may mga sports naman sa school namin, sasali naman namin sa and my pets, as you can tell, marinig nyo naman agad yung ano yung pet ko. Pero, yung hindi lang maingay dito, yung dog ko. Yun lang hindi maingay dito. Yung pusa na talagang maingay. So, and you already know it's my country since I'm currently speaking the language I'm... Sorry for the disturbance. So I was saying, I live in Philippines. Yeah. Alam ko yung iba dyan, di gano sikat yung Pilipinas. Kaso maganda rito sa Pilipinas. Yung iba dyan, di nagsasabi na yung maganda yung Pilipinas. Magandang Pilipinas, guys. Mag-visit kayo dito. Maganda sa Boracay, Manila, Tagaytay, anywhere dito sa Pilipinas. Maganda. And next is the games. My favorite games to play is HOK, Honor of Kings, ML, Mobile Legends, Roblox, Minecraft, and Genshin Impact, Honkai Star Rail, and COD, Call of Duty. Madami pa. Yun lang yung mobile games na nilalaro ko na nasasayahan ako. Sorry for the noise. Noisy lang talaga dito.
That's my neighbors.
Those are my neighbors. And my neighbors are noisy. So, yeah. Yun yung mga games na nilalaro ko dito. And next part is... my most favorite K-pop. Yung pinakauna na kilala kong K-pop group is Momoland. Kasi yun naman talaga ang unang-una na kilala ko nito. Sumunod naman yung Blackpink. Well, naging favorite ko rin yung Blackpink noon. Pero ngayon, parang slight. And sumunod doon is BTS. BTS yung naging favorite ko next. And yun, after nung naging obsessed ako sa BTS, and right after that, nakakakilala ko ng ibang K-pop groups like ITZY, TWICE, 17, TXT, Tomorrow X Together, yung mga ganun. Saka, ngayon, this year, nakilala ko yung ENHYPEN, which is parang nagpalit sa BTS, ganun. Kasi yung BTS ngayon, nasa parang military na sila ngayon, kaya pero yung ENHYPEN, malapit na rin sila pumunta sa military way. Nandun sila pupunta. Well, syempre, kasi hindi naman natin maiwasan na punta sila military kasi yun yung saan na sa Korea. Yun yung parang tawag doon?
Nakagisnan.
Ha?
Nakagisnan.
Nakagisnan. Yung ganun. At sa Korea kasi, guys, pag once na parang, ano ka doon,
Parang tradition na sila sa kanila.
parang yun na yung tradition sa kanila. Parang di ba, parang umabot ka ng 30, ano, kailangan mo na umano ng military. Ganun. Ganun yung sa kanila. Pero I don't know kung ganun din sa mga girls or sa dyan sa boys lang. Ewan ko. Hindi lang sure. And, well, if you guys want to know alin yung favorite kong songs, madami akong favorite songs. Basta kung pakinggan ko lang sila, yung mga songs na yun, favorite ko. And, as you all know, lahat na yun, ako naisip kong isabihin sa inyo. Kasi wala talaga akong maisip, guys, na i-introduce ko yung sarili ko sa inyo. Wala akong maisip na questions, wala akong maisip. As I said, first video ko to sa YouTube channel ko. And sana supportan nyo ako sa first video ko and sa YouTube channel. Thank you, and that's all for today's video. Bye. And I'll be making more videos in my life today. Just comment down below if you want to suggest some videos that I will do here in my YouTube channel. Thank you, bye!